Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your audio volume, how to change language and edit audio settings in eFootball 20 and 24. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner that are still new into this game, confusing how to challenge the event, complete the mission so you get ton of rewards from this game of EAE Football 2024. So let's get started by tap the extras, tap the game settings and tap this. The first one is language. So I'm using the English US. So there are some languages here that you can try from English until Bahasa. This is the Indonesia. This is the Japan, Turkey, and Korea also, Netherlands, and many more. Let's get back. And also you can tap this audio. You can adjust your audio volume like the commentary, stadium, this is the crowd, audio, sound effect, even the music volume. You can setting in here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.